So now before we adjust the styles for the pager, let's add a filter to only show blog entries with images. Now we're going to come back to this in a little bit and look at how to use a module called NodeQ in order to arbitrarily select which blog entries we want to display here. For now, we're going to automate it and allow any posts with images to show. So here under filter criteria, we'll click add, and let's do a search for image. Now we have several options here for us, the alt, the FID, height, title, and width. And the only thing that we know for sure that our image has is the FID. That's the file ID for the image. So if there is a file ID associated with the image, then we know there's an image. So we'll check this. And now when we go to check apply, you see how it says apply all displays. So we need to do an override here. So we'll select for this attachment, and then we'll click apply this display. That setting carries over to this next screen, so we have for this attachment, so we don't need to modify that. And for the operator, we'll select is not empty. So basically we're looking for anything here, it doesn't matter what the FID is, just as long as it exists, we know there's an image. So we'll click apply this display, and now if we scroll down, you'll see that we only see entries here that have an image. Our pager displays 1, 2, 3, 4 items. And if we click next throughout these slideshow items up here, you'd see that each one of them has an image.